How to change Amazon Visa card PIN or account details. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can change the Amazon Visa card PIN and update your account details. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, what you have to do is the easiest way to change your PIN is through the Chase account. So for that, you have to open up or you have to go to chase.com. Then make sure that you're logged in into your Chase account. So once you're signed in into your Chase account, you have to click on your Amazon Visa card from your dashboard. Then head over to More. Under More, click on Account Services. Then there, find an option to change your PIN. Tap on Change PIN. Then make sure that you follow the other instructions or the steps to update your PIN. Now your PIN is changed. Now, to update your billing address, phone number, and email, again you have to log in into chase.com, head over to your profile icon, then head over to the personal details or the profile and settings, then make changes there as you want. And also, if your card was replaced or updated, make sure that you change it on Amazon as well. Then for that, open up a new tab, head over to amazon.com, make sure that you're signing into your account. So once you're here, tap on your profile at the top right, scroll down, head over to your account section, tap on See All. Once you're here, scroll down, head over to your payment section, tap on your payment. Under your payment, you have to select the card. Then tap on Edit option to update the details, or you could also add a new card if you have received a replacement. And that's it. That's how you can manage your Amazon Visa card PIN and also your account information. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.